Did you ever have an idea that sounded really good on paper, and when you looked up some of the photos and stuff like that, it looked like a really cool place and looked like something that you really wanted to do? Well, that was me a while back. I thought it would be a good idea to ride my bicycle on the Transfagarasan, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, highway in Romania. Look at the pictures of it and it's like, damn dude, that looks like something I'd want to ride down. And the way it kind of looked like on the maps, it looked like Sibiu was higher up than the places beyond the mountain range, so it didn't look like I'd have to ride up as much. But now that I'm here, that's a big climb. Let me see if I can show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, so I have to ride to the top of those. However, on the topographical maps, it does look like it is a shorter distance to get to the top than it is to ride down through to the bottom, which probably means that the next 20 miles are going to be really steep. But after that, it should be smooth sailing. But either way, this is madness. Absolute madness. 5 miles done, 15 more to go. I think I did the easiest of the 5 so far. In fact, I know I did the easiest of the 5 so far. And I'm already a sweaty bitch. I just gave a paramedic the majority of my bags, just like my saddlebags, my tent, mostly my camping gear. Really hope I don't fucking regret this decision. He said he would just meet me at the top. He's apparently a paramedic that works at the lake that I'm trying to get to. So he took my bags to help me save weight. Seemed like an honest dude. Yeah, just put a lot of faith in this dude, so let's see what happens. Alright guys, I'm only about halfway there. Oh, fucking flies. And I am absolutely gassed. Absolutely gassed. And it definitely looks like it's going to start raining here soon, which is a bit worrying. And there's flies everywhere and it smells like human waste, which is also lovely. Alright, so I'm finally at the top. See all that behind me? Crazy road. Can't wait to ride down the other side tomorrow. Turns out that the guy that I get my bags to, yeah, the paramedic guy, he didn't steal them, which is a huge plus. And not only did he not steal them, but once I got to the top to find him and find my bags, he actually let me stay, or offered to let me stay, in the sort of the paramedic outpost that's at the top here. He said that tonight it should be, he said, -2 to -5 degrees Celsius, which is pretty cold. I probably could do it with the equipment that I have, but it wouldn't have made for a very pleasant night. Rather, I have an actual bed, got to take a shower, which was good because I sweated a lot and smelled horrible. So yeah, I actually got a shower, bed, everything. And it's not charging me anything, which is also exceptional. It's been incredible so far. So I can't wait for tomorrow. I need to try and set up my Karma stabilizer for my Hero 6 GoPro. Try to get that all squared away on my bike so I can actually shoot video of riding down this insanity and not have it be all shaky like my helmet camera. So yeah, it's been a rad day, but as of right now I need some food because I'm starving.